Alright, so I thought I would go over the gear I brought on this trip. It's a solo trip. I didn't pack especially light, but I didn't pack that much either, so anyway. This is a Seal Line dry bag. Inside this I have all my electronics, like I'm keeping the camera that's in there when I'm in the boat, batteries, power bank, what are they called? Power banks, and all the cords and doodads that go with all that stuff. So it's, yeah. Oh, and inside that I also have a microfiber camp towel. My cup. This is what is this? A GSI cup. Oh, there it is. Yeah, a GSI. I've had this forever. I don't know if you see it. The cozy that it goes into frays really easy, so I've duct taped the top of it to stop the fraying, and I've had that piece of duct tape on now for a couple of years, and it's holding up quite well, and it stopped the fraying. Some rope. I use this hang the food, and I might even use some of it for a ridge line tonight for setting up the tarp. Coffee filter. This is this is GSI too. It's collapsible, so just goes like that. It's pretty good. It's I'd prefer that than using instant coffee. Oh, this is the what do you call this? This is the this is the baler for the canoe. I just have this loose inside the boat when I'm traveling. It's Fox 40, I believe. Yeah. Oh, inside there's a rope, whistle, flashlight. I've actually replaced the flashlight with a headlamp. And I've also put a magnesium fire steel inside too. And this is the my stove and pot. This is the Solo stove. I believe they might be out of business now. I'm not too sure. It's a stick stove. I've had this for probably a decade now. Take it on almost every trip. Especially when I'm going solo, I don't need any more than that. It's perfect. It's about, I think it's almost like a 1.5 liters. Or maybe a liter. Oh, this is some good kit. This is my bug shirt. Original bug shirt brand. I haven't really had to use it yet. I'm surprised. It's the bugs aren't so bad. So, but I have it in case I need it. Makes a good pillow too. Inside, this is a dry bag from Outdoor Research. Inside I have my sleeping bag and my liner. And this is my this is my Therm-a-Rest Neo Air light. It's good. I've had this for probably 4 or 5 years now. What else do we have? Oh, this is just a bag. Inside this I have toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, things like that. Nothing too exciting. My retainer's in there. This is my bivvy. It's from West Coast Bivvy. Yeah, this is more like a tent than a bivvy, I would say, because it actually has a pole, one pole, and you're able to sit up inside it and have some usable headroom. So yeah, it's Aqua Quest. Aqua Quest from West Coast Bivvy. This is my fire starter kit. Inside, there's some birch bark I got from this morning. This is something I've been trying out this year. It's a fire plugs from Bigfoot Bushcraft. I really like them. They just look like this. And you open it up and fray it. I've been using cotton balls for the last couple of years, and well, for the last probably 10-15 years, but I like these a lot better actually. They're waterproof as long as they're not frayed open, and they last a long time. Once you light it, you get lots of time to get the fire going, so I like that. I also have this magnesium fire steel, and that's about it for that. That's all I really need. So I keep it in a bag just to keep it all organized. Okay. Pegs. This is the my camp chair. It's from Helinox. This is my third one actually. I still have one other one, and my first one is now in retirement. It flew a little too close to the sun, if you know what I'm saying. Fire glove, I like having at least one glove to handle things on the fire, move logs or to move the grill or things like that. What else do we got? This is another dry bag from Outdoor Research. This one is not actually waterproof. This is water resistant, so it's not as good as the black one, but it does a good job. And inside I have my clothes. I have another long sleeve shirt, a sweater, a couple pairs of socks, underwear, and things like that. Yep. This is poles for the bivvy. Extra paddle. This is a collapsible paddle. Oh, another Fox 40 product. So I like this one. It's telescopic. So you get, well, there's two just in it. Oh, it does get longer somehow, but yeah, it's good. It's nice and small, lightweight. I just put it right in the pack. Wow. A shoe. I brought an extra pair of shoes. I have river shoes on right now, and I just don't exactly trust them with these rugged portages, so I wanted to have a backup pair of footwear. This is an old mech tarp I have. I've had this, this might have been one of the first big pieces of equipment I bought, maybe 15 years ago. Still going. It's probably not exactly perfectly waterproof anymore, but it does the trick. Oh, and this is the tarp for the bivvy. It's Aqua Quest tarp as well. Oh, this is my saw. It's from Agua. We'll call it Agua. It's I got this just for Christmas this year. It's I've had several different types of saws, and I think this is probably my new favorite. It collapses easy. It's got a long blade, so it makes processing larger pieces of wood a lot easier. Yeah, I really like it. And it's a good piece to have with me. What else do we have? Oh, this is a first aid kit. This is Life brand first aid kit. Inside I've got all the essentials. There's also some painkillers and muscle relaxants. What else do we have? Oh, rain jacket. It's what brand is this? I don't know the brand. Oh, there we go. It's a Mountain Warehouse brand. Yeah, it's a little heavy for this time of year, but sitting around camp tomorrow when it's raining, I'll probably put it on. Just an extra stuff sack. I think that might be it for in here. Oh, there's one more. I brought a hatchet too. I don't know what brand this is actually. I've had this for a while. Yeah. Gerber maybe? It might be Gerber. It's hard to see the brand on there now. I've had this for 10-15 years. It's the blade's going a bit, but it still does the trick. I like having it just a processed wood, larger pieces. You can split it after you cut it. I think it's that. It's the end of that for that part. And inside the lid, I have. Where are we here? A monocular. This is, I don't know what that brand is. I like having this when I'm in the boat. See, like trying to find portages and campsites from across the lake. It's easier to have something to see with. So I got that. Some musk oil. This is musk oil lotion. What else do we have? A hard eyeglass case. I have my prescription sunglasses in here. I always recommend a hard eyeglass case if you're wearing glasses, because you'll be sad if you break your glasses out here. What else do we have? Oh, this is my UV water filter. This is from Camelback, and I don't think they make this anymore. I've had it for a while. I really like taking it on trips like this where it's just me. Process is about 750 mils at a time, so it's perfect for just one person. Does a great job. What else does? And I think lastly, I have sunscreen. I've found these mini Coppertone Sport bottles. I think it's perfect size for this. This is SPF 30. What else did we bring? I think that's really it. I think that's all the gear I have. And in the boat I have my life jacket, my paddle. Oh, and I have a padded yoke. And I think that is it. That is all the gear I brought for a 3-day solo trip. Oh, and I also brought a food barrel, but that's a different video.